of the Indian Constitution, India government can give us a separate state for the Bodo people. Bodo people are many here, more than 15, 16, 20 lakhs, I think. And that also, see, when we were, actually, we had more than that, because Assamese, there was no race called Assamese. The Bodo people, the Garo people, Karbi people, they were converted by Shankar Dev and others. Shankar Dev and one is Madhav Dev, I think. They converted them, and these converted people have become Ohomia. So our people are still there. We have got lots of people. Now those converted people are ruling us. This is the worst thing now. See, when they were converted, they gave us the title Bora, na? And Bora means a Gahuri. They gave us the title of Gahuri. I do not know why they are reducing us into Gahuri.
Many people they have lost their lives. But so good.
Yes. Why they have not successful is that they have demanded by using force, by killing, by hurting people. By hurting we cannot win. We must do according to Constitution, peacefully and non-violently.
So what we better suggest the Bodo people? By which way the Bodo people can get the Bodo?
What they have started, Bonsu